I'm here. As you can see from the title of today's video, it's going to be a Christmas decorate with me of my living room. Now this year I'm extra excited to decorate because my husband built me a beautiful fireplace and shiplap wall. So this year I thought it would look so pretty to do a rustic farmhouse theme and try to create a cozy cottage feel. I absolutely love how it turned out this year. I used neutral colors with some wood accents. So if you would like to see what I came up with, then please keep watching. So to begin, I just wiped everything down with my thieves cleaner. These white benches show any kind of mess, so I like to keep up with wiping them down. I did notice that my tag on my shirt was sticking right up throughout this whole video. I hope it's not too distracting. For my mantle, I used this garland I found at Marshall's. I love how realistic it looks, and it's the perfect size for my mantle. And it is cold outside. We gather around the fireplace, and no one... This year, I also decided to mix in more greenery with my garland. I've been seeing a lot of pins on Pinterest this year with eucalyptus incorporated into Christmas decor. I just love how it looks. Next, I added in these two beaded garlands that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. I also added some Hobby Lobby white houses to the center here, and then added candlesticks from the Hearth and Hand collection from Target on both sides of the mantle. I picked up these stockings from Hobby Lobby. I would like to add some wood name tags to them still. For the hearth, I added this bin of cut wood and a couple of trees from Hobby Lobby. I love the galvanized tree here to tie in my tree collar you will be seeing later. For these side shelves, I wanted to keep them pretty simple and just add some eucalyptus garland on the top shelf and then mix some bottle brush trees with white houses for the lower shelf. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. I keep my kids' toys in this bin here, and I thought this Hearth and Hand blanket would look so pretty on top and to also hide all the toys. The green and cream colors match so perfectly in my living room. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. I thought this Hobby Lobby basket would look really nice on my white bench. I just added this Oh Holy Night sign and this Merry Christmas pillow, also from Hobby Lobby. I also later decided to add this throw blanket as well.
How I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences.
Now my Christmas tree, as you can see, is very thin and also pretty bare. I got this tree from Kohl's a few years ago. I do love that it's thinner since this is a tight space, but I don't like all the bare spots. So I like to add a bunch of stems and fillers to make it look a lot fuller. I do love the pine cones that are attached to the branches and the flocking. It just needs a little TLC to look its best. So I decided to add these stems here that I got from Target, as well as some eucalyptus I bought from Walmart this year. I also added a few cotton stems, and then for the appearance of snow on the tree, I just used these duster attachments that I bought off of Amazon. I thought this angel from Hobby Lobby would look perfect on top of the tree. All of these mini houses are from the Target dollar spot. I just turned them into little ornaments by adding twine to them. I also got these bigger black houses from Target that I thought would look really nice in the tree as well. I also made these DIY music sheet ornaments using Dollar Tree canvases and twine. I have a video on how I made these ornament signs, and I can have that linked below for you if you are interested.
Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is
For our entryway, I just laid down some garland with lights, and I also added in some real pine cones that my kids helped me collect.
one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday.
I laid this wood tray down that I found at a local boutique store.
Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday
For the sides, I added in my Kirkland lanterns with bottle brush trees inside.
is a magic day. This year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can.
I decided to make a little Christmas village here on the tray using more Target black houses. I felt like it tied in well with my black mirror.
And just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
Okay, so that is everything for my living room decorate with me this year. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching and got some inspiration while watching. If you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to join my channel family and subscribe so you never miss out on any decorating videos from me in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, have a wonderful and blessed day.